So here we are back again, another video. We're gonna take this dishwasher out, and you see right here, we got a couple of screws we gotta take loose. And then you come down here, you'll see this little panel. It's got some screws, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Now we disconnected it from the wall. We just have this water line running here. Okay, it's right there. We'll disconnect that, okay? And I think there's one more hose that goes to the drain. So we have a water line coming in and we have a drain going out. Be sure to turn your water off. Okay, turn those to the right. I don't know if the new one comes with this hose, so I'm gonna save it just in case. So I decided to go with this General Electric 348. It does come in stainless steel. We're gonna get stainless steel. Yeah. Simple. So I'm just routing this one through the hole, getting ready to replace the other one. So these 3 pieces. Flat, the washer in there. All right. It'll look something like that. Don't pull too tight on there because you don't want to bend this, okay? All right, not too tight. And we had to go get an 8-foot supply line because the one that it comes with is 6 foot, and they're expecting like your dishwasher to be like right next door, but ours is L-shaped, so it's a little further. Take that one out, put the new one on. So now we got the new water line ran in, okay? All the way through. Ready to go. So now I'm gonna pick this thing up. I'm gonna attach that water line to right here underneath. And I'm gonna attach this hose right there. And we'll be good. So these come off. These can come off, but don't remove that, okay? So we can wind this cord out. We're gonna put this one in the back through its hole. We're gonna put that over there through its hole. We're gonna go ahead and plug in this. I have it turned off. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. So you wanna route your water supply, let it go underneath. Go ahead and route this to where it needs to go. Go ahead and plug it in. then you could kind of get an idea how it's gonna be. We're almost there, almost where we need to be. So we did a dry fit. I don't ever want to pull on that, but we did a dry fit, and we need to come up just a little bit on the legs. Oh, we slid it back into place and we put those screws in right there. Sorry I didn't push record, but we just put the screws right there. And I'm gonna go down there, tighten in the water line, hook up our hose. We'll turn it back on and get it going. You wanna make sure your water line's somewhat close right here. And then you'll go ahead and tighten it by hand as much as you can, your water line. Make sure you get some Teflon on there so it don't leak. And then you'll come in here with like a small crescent wrench and give that a nice little snug tight. And then we will, after we're done there, we'll pull our hose over, connect our hose in, and we'll be ready to run a load. So went ahead and connected our line. And in this case, it runs to our garbage disposal. So I want to make sure that that is tight before we kick things off. We'll go ahead and put one of these in there. Lock it. Lock it up. Go ahead and turn our water back on. We'll go ahead and turn our power back on. All right, we turned our power back on. Let's start a cycle. Sure we ain't got any leaks. And now we'll go in here and take that bolt off, slide this plate up here and put the bolt back in, and we'll be good. Boom. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.